Hi, are you expecting your plus 2 or CBSE results? Do you need help in deciding your future course of action? That momentous decision of deciding on your career consists of 3 steps: to do engineering or any other course, where to do that course, what specialization to take up. So, you have decided to do engineering at Saranathan College of Engineering. Congratulations, you have successfully completed 2 of those 3 steps. To help you make the right choice on step 3, we at Saranathan traditionally conduct annually our Sara visit, which is an open day at the institution, facilitating you to go around the college and learn about the overall infrastructural facilities and strengths of the individual branches and courses on offer. The lockdown announced by the government to combat the pandemic has made it not possible for us to organize such a visit physically. However, in order to continue this tradition of providing you the necessary information, we have created our virtual Sara Visit 2020, which is an electronic audio-visual tour of the institution. Before you make your important decision on the branch to choose, please bear in mind the following global trends. Post-COVID-19, quite a few multinational manufacturing companies are planning to shift out of China and planning to set up their new manufacturing units in India or in Sri Lanka. One of the sectors that the government has identified for growth in order to achieve economic revival is defense production to meet our own needs as well as exports. Both the above factors would mean an increase in the demand for graduates of circuit engineering, that is ECE, EEE and ICE, as well as mechanical engineers. Another sector earmarked for growth is the infrastructure industry, namely construction of highways, houses and other infrastructural needs. This would increase the already existing shortage of qualified civil engineers. The current global reality is that for any activity, manufacturing or service, there is a 60 to 80% contribution of computerization. This percentage will only increase as new innovations and applications are developed in this computer field. Hence, a CSE or IT engineer will have innumerable opportunities. In summary, irrespective of the branch one chooses, the prospects are promising. You may have decided on your first choice of branch already, but it is recommended that you look at the audio visuals of all the 7 branches on offer so that you can be better informed and prepare yourself for deciding on your next option of branch also. After viewing all the audio visuals, whichever branch you decide to choose, we wish you all the best and hope that your Ishta Devata was by your side when you made that decision. God will bless you all. Saranathan College of Engineering was established in the year 1998. The campus is in Trichy and is spread over 23 acres. It has now grown into an institution with 7 UG departments, 5 PG departments, 2,600 students. We have received NBA accreditation for all the 6 eligible UG departments. Those 6 branches are BE in Computer Science, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Instrumentation and Control Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and BTech in Information Technology. Our first batch of BE Civil Engineering will graduate in 2020. This college also offers 5 PG courses: ME in Communication System, Power Electronics and Drives, Thermal Engineering, Computer Science, and MBA Master in Business Administration. The college is equipped with smart classrooms, conference halls, modern and spacious library with over 55,000 books and 100 technical print journals, an enviable digital library with access to journals like IEEE and ASME. Anna University recognized research centers, well-equipped laboratories, high-performance computing facilities, over 750 computer terminals with fiber optic linked network, 225 Mbps Wi-Fi enabled campus, all this and much more to provide the right environment for the students to learn and enrich their knowledge. We have 20 MOUs signed, 200 students deputed for in-plant training stroke internship, 123 industries tie-up, and 107 different recruiters as on date from inception. The college helps in bringing out students' talent through various co-curricular and extracurricular activities, through sports and culturals, excellent hostel facilities, bus routes, neat cafeteria, cleanliness, hygiene and sanitation maintained everywhere to a very high standard. This year, we have had so far 464 offers and 357 placements, with the highest individual package being 12 lakhs per annum. Winners begin with the end in mind. Begin with Saranathan, become a winner. God will bless you all.